Hello to you, my pretty nail lovers. You're welcome back again to Nail Vibes, the channel that gives you the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on your time and location. And in case you're seeing the channel for the very first time, or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video here, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous queens, as you can see in this video for today, I have the best compilations of new and trendy acrylic nail art designs. These nails, as you can see already, look so good and very gorgeous. You can rock them to any occasion of your choice. So watch the video to the end, pick the best lights and make on your fingernails. And as you watch the video, kindly support it by hitting the like button, okay? Give the video a thumbs up and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones. And you can as well save it for your later use. And in case this is not really what you want, you can also go into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch from there and make your choices. Thank you guys so much. Please guys, do not forget to like and share the video. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bye for now.